Well, I'm back again and we've got another hotel tour for you. I've been waiting for quite a while to get into this place. It's the Natura Palace in Lanzarote, Playa Blanca. It's adults only. And Maureen got in touch and said her son Colin has brought her to the Natura Palace for a week. Would I like to have a little nose around their room? Well, I jumped at the chance and I said, I will, but I've got to take you lot with me. So we're going to go and have a good old nose around the Natura Palace. Then we're going to go and see a room. It's exclusive. It's the Natura Palace, adults only, Lanzarote. Let's go. So make sure to watch to the end and you'll get to see a room in this amazing hotel. But let's go explore. The place is beautiful. Look at reception. So many comfortable places to sit, chill out and relax. I love the big beams and it's just massive as well. Spotlessly clean and super shiny. On the lower ground is pretty much where everything is happening. It leads out onto the pool. You've got the restaurant area down here as well. And again, a few more places to chill out. I also spotted a little bit of a water feature. And again, down here is immaculate as well. It just screams quality. But listen, the sun is shining. We don't want to be indoors. So let's head out towards the beautiful pool area. You wait till you see this. They must have the best window cleaner in Lanzarote. Look at that, super shiny, and the whole place, look, there's nothing out of place at all. Now we're going to have a little look at the restaurant first of all. Now the restaurant is on the inside, but you can also dine on the outside as well. It's got tables and chairs on a lovely terrace area, just looking over the gardens. And I tell you what, imagine having your breakfast here and just looking over these magical views. What a place. What do you reckon? Can you picture yourself here? What stands out to me are the big blue beautiful pools, and they overlook the sea as well. It is an amazing place just to relax by. All you can hear are the waves lashing against the shore, and like I said, it's silent here as well. Look at the view you get of the hotel, the trees, you've got some natural cover from the sun as well. It is just a magical place. Look at it. What do you think? Could this be your next holiday? Adults only, no kids to disturb you whatsoever. Let me know in the comments what you think of this place so far. If you get bored of the pool and you want to venture out, it's literally through the back gate, and this will lead you onto the Promenade of Playa Blanca. This is an amazing walk, and you can walk as far as the lighthouse and as far as Papagayo beaches, or you can sit down, relax and just take in all the views, literally lying down and sunbathing as if you were on the beach, but you're not quite there. Look at this. Ideal for people watching and just literally staring out over the sea. What a place to park yourself for the day and literally let the world go by. So this place is absolutely stunning, and with it being adults only as well, it's silent. Now it is early doors, but just look at that place. Look at the views behind me. Imagine that being your view every day. Coming out your room, heading down to breakfast or chill around the pool, and you've got that beautiful view, and it's ideally located as well. You can just walk along the promenade to anywhere in Playa Blanca. It's stunning. So this is another side of the hotel, look, with beautiful gardens like I said before. And over in this location there is like a couple of bungalows. Now we're going to go and see one of the hotel rooms, but imagine stopping in that little bungalow there. Look at that. So everything just looks so well maintained as well. Even the grass, look, perfect green grass. You've got a lovely little area here to walk around. You've got a little mini golf course here and a little bridge as well. I don't know what that's for, but it crosses over this. And I think when the storms come and it rains, look, it creates a little river. If a relaxing holiday is your thing, then this place could be the one for you. You can sit and chill out under the trees on the little benches, just go for a walk around the garden. And I even found that they've got their own spa on site as well. A body care centre where you can get all of your beauty treatments and spa treatments. I mean, what more could you want? And if that's not all, if you want to get energetic and you've eaten too much, they've even got a gym. One thing I love is the flowers, look, along the balconies. They are beautiful, and the garden areas here are just fabulous. You just wander around, really peaceful, loads of places just to chill out and literally relax. So whether you like the pool or whether you just want to sort of sit in the shade, lots of grass areas as well. They keep the garden so well maintained. It's just perfect. On the evening, there's no need to leave the hotel because you've got a swanky bar on site, all covered and sheltered, and I bet this looks beautiful, all lit up. With comfy sofas, you can literally just sit, chill out, have a few drinks and listen to the entertainment. During the day as well, the pool bar looked beautiful. Now, it wasn't open because I was down here super early to show you lot around, but it looked like a fantastic place to grab a snack during the afternoon. So let's head back inside. Imagine you've been sunbathing all day and you head back into the cool reception. You've got a lift to take you to your room, and I need to go and find Maureen and Colin's room. So I think I'll take the stairs. Now, up these beautiful shiny stairs will lead you back into reception. And we said they had entertainment on the night outside as well, but they've also got a beautiful piano bar in reception that will serve you drinks throughout the night and play chilled out music so you can just relax. What a place. So it's that time you've been waiting for. Let's go and see a room. Maureen and Colin said they're on the first floor. So come on, let's go find them. So here we are, heading up to the room, and I love this. Look at this. So nice. Got that sort of hotel feel. And it was room 1121, which is this one. Let's give it a knock. Hello, hello.
Hi, Dave.
How are you? You all right? Who have we got here? Introduce yourselves.
I'm Marlene.
Marlene.
My name's Colin.
Marlene and Colin, right. Are you going to show me around?
Yeah, sure.
Let's go. Right then, Marlene and Colin, here on holiday, mum and son. And Colin, you're stopping next door, yeah?
I'm next door, yeah.
So this is your room. Who's going to show me around?
I can show you around if you want.
Right,
Yeah.
so Colin's going to show me around, and then we're going to have a chat on that beautiful terrace. I can see some amazing views. So are you going to grab a seat there?
Yes, I will.
And then we will come out there and we're going to have a good old terrace talk.
Okay,
right,
brilliant.
let's go.
Brilliant.
Right then, Colin, so as soon as you walk into this room, you've got the bathroom on the left. So head in there and let me have a little look in the bathroom. This is nice.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I mean, there's a nice,
Wow.
massive walk-in shower there.
Wow, that is huge as well. And your
Yeah,
room
it's
is
beautiful.
exactly the same?
My room's exactly the same. It's just like in reverse, so my shower's like behind here.
Beautiful. I like
Yeah.
these tiles as well.
Yeah, it's
look.
kind of like the old school style.
Yeah.
And then the shower's a bit more
And you've got the
modern
posh
looking.
soaps as well?
Posh soaps.
Oh, wow.
Fresh towels every day.
Hairdryer.
Yeah.
And one of them little shaving mirrors as well. And a toilet and the bidet that nobody uses. But it's there anyway. And you know you're on holiday when there's a bidet. That is lovely. Beautiful. You got all your fresh towels as well. Right, and so it's a perfect little hotel room, isn't it? It's only small, but you've got two nice beds. How are the beds? Are they comfortable?
Really comfy, yeah. Yeah, it's two stuck together, but to be fair, the one size is quite big anyway, so that's
Well,
all
that's
you
it,
need.
yeah. They're like single beds, but a little bit bigger. And I like all the sort of way that it's all decorated as well. Really nice. Really nice. And then over this side, obviously you've got a big mirror. I mean, that
nice
is a big mirror. Look
Yeah,
at the size of that.
Yeah.
You got a little place for your luggage there, and then you've got some sort of facilities there as well.
It's like a little fridge in here.
Oh, that's
You get
nice.
a couple of bottles of water.
Nice. Do they come with it?
Got a
With
bit of honey rum in there.
Oh, there you go. Nice lamp there. TV as well. Any English channels on the TV?
Yeah, there's quite a few on there.
Is there?
Yeah, I had a quick look on it, but again, you don't really watch it when you've got that outside.
Wow, I do. And then you've got tea, coffee, making facilities. That's all included as well?
Yeah, and it gets replenished every day as well. They give you water and orange juice.
Oh, a bit of posh water as well. And some nice orange juice.
Yeah, can't go wrong.
Wow. So are you all inclusive here, or is it like
Got
half
half
board?
board this time.
Okay, so but
Yeah.
they give you sort of water and orange juice
Yeah, they
when
still
you're
do that.
in the room and stuff.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
not bad, is it? That's
Yeah.
great. And then behind us here is the wardrobe. Do you want to show me
nice big wardrobe there.
how? Oh wow.
Get the old
Plenty of
dressing gowns
plenty
there.
of stuff. And you get the old robes as well, look. Fantastic. So you got plenty of room there. Is there a safe in here?
There's a safe on this side. And then
Brilliant.
there's like more storage and stuff in there as well.
Is the safe included?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just put your own pin in at the start.
And you're rocking and
Away you
rolling.
go.
Fantastic. You got a phone there as well in case you need to ring
Yeah, you can ring
reception.
down for reception. They're really helpful as well. They're great in reception.
I like it. I like it.
Yeah,
and then
really
over there,
nice.
what we got? We've got a little table and chairs.
Little table. We've been playing Ludo there.
Bit of Ludo. Oh, do you know what? I haven't played Ludo for years.
Oh, my mum's an absolute master at Ludo.
Really?
So don't even go there.
Ludo World Champion. Do you know? I haven't played that since, well, I don't know how long.
Yeah.
And then behind, so you can sit there, have a little game. But I mean, look, that is the place.
What a
isn't it?
view.
That is the place. Do you want to head out there? Let me have a
Yeah,
little look. Look at them views. You wait till you see this. You are super happy sitting there, aren't you?
Absolutely, I could sit here all day.
It's gorgeous. No one.
My
Oh
happy
wow.
place.
Exactly. Yeah. It's going to be mine, I think. Look at that. Wow. Oh, these views are incredible. So you've got the pool area down there. Is the pool heated?
I've been in that one. That one's not. I'm not sure if this one is.
Well, there's someone in it.
Yeah.
Look
But
at
again,
that.
when it's like this, you don't need it.
And on a clear day, we've got a little bit of Klima today. You've got a beautiful view over to Fuerteventura as well.
Oh, it's absolutely stunning.
Clear
yeah.
view over there. And the garden areas are just immaculate, aren't they? Absolutely love it. And I like these little flowers that they grow along the terrace. That looks so nice as well, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's so chill.
That is beautiful. I mean, as views go, you couldn't really get better than that, could
Doesn't
you?
get much better now.
That is
That's
fab.
why we like it here so much, isn't it?
It's beautiful.
Literally a stone's throw away from the sea.
Yeah.
You've got all of the walkway as well. You can walk all the way down to Flamingo.
You can,
You
yeah.
can get to the marina if you want.
It's just beautiful. I love it. Well, we are going to have a little chat on this terrace for our little section called Terrace Talk. So are you ready?
We're ready.
Right, let's go.